Are you torn between Figma and Adobe Illustrator for your design projects? Today, we're breaking down everything you need to know to decide which tool is best for you. Whether you're designing UI/UX interfaces, creating illustrations, or working on print projects, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one suits your needs. Figma Overview. Figma is a cloud-based design tool built primarily for UI and UX design. Its biggest strength lies in real-time collaboration. Multiple team members can work on the same design simultaneously, making it perfect for remote teams. And since it's web-based, you can access Figma on any operating system: Windows, Mac, Linux, even on a Chromebook. Adobe Illustrator Overview. Adobe Illustrator, on the other hand, is the industry standard for vector graphics and illustrations. Unlike Figma, it's a desktop application primarily designed for detailed vector editing. Illustrator is perfect for creating logos, print materials, and detailed graphic designs, but collaboration usually means sharing files back and forth. Collaboration and platform. When it comes to collaboration, Figma is unmatched. Its web-based platform allows seamless teamwork in real time. Illustrator is more traditional, excellent for solo projects, but team collaboration requires manual file management. Core features. Both tools offer vector editing, but Illustrator specializes in intricate vector work. Figma, however, excels in prototyping and interactive design. If you're building apps or websites, Figma's reusable components and design systems make your workflow efficient. Illustrator doesn't offer prototyping but shines in precision vector tools. Design and export. Illustrator is ideal for print design, offering professional-grade tools for posters, brochures, and any high-resolution graphics. Figma supports both digital and print, but it's best known for digital UI projects. In terms of export, Figma allows you to export assets, design specs, and even code snippets, whereas Illustrator offers a wide range of file formats for various graphics needs, usability, and pricing. Figma is beginner-friendly with an intuitive interface and easier learning curve. Illustrator requires some experience with vector tools to master. Figma requires an internet connection. While Illustrator works offline, pricing-wise, both are subscription-based, but Figma offers a free tier, making it accessible for beginners and small teams. So which one is better? It depends on your needs. If you're focused on UI/UX design, team collaboration, and prototyping, Figma is the clear winner. But if your work revolves around detailed vector illustrations or professional print design, Illustrator remains unmatched. Now that you know the key differences, you can pick the tool that matches your projects and workflow. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more design comparisons, and let us know in the comments which tool you prefer, Figma or Illustrator.